Hello, everybody. My name is Erika Fergerson-Carroll. I live in Accokeek, Maryland. I am currently a substitute teacher. I end up getting into the educational field or decided to take courses after I wanted to start a nonprofit. The nonprofit idea was to help secondary students to determine their career path. So I said, okay, let me go to school and develop a little more skill set on my actual goal, which is the nonprofit. So then opportunities began to open up for me. I began to substitute teach at some urban schools. I started last May. So the first school that I taught at, I was able to teach elementary students, grades, kindergarten, all the way up to the fifth grade, and I truly enjoyed it. I'm not saying that I had any favorites or anything, but the fourth graders were something special. So now I have the opportunity to work at another urban school that contains scholars as well. And this particular vision for the school is non-traditional. I love it. The administrators are innovative, they're creative, and the students are truly engaged in the vision once again of the school. So I am totally blessed to be in the company of great individuals who truly care for the students. Let me see. Some of my hobbies, I would say, I'm not saying that I like to do these things for real, but I do it. I work out sometimes, and my forms of workouts consist of kickboxing and running. Running just to help me to get in shape or to stay in shape. I am a little inconsistent sometimes, but I truly love the benefits of working out. And finally, I have to add that one of the things that I have on my bucket list is to be able to sing for so many people. I love singing and I love songwriting. It gives me an opportunity to inspire others and to encourage them to speak life into them in a creative form or fashion. I just love art and I love people to reach for their dreams, to dream big, and to do anything that they set their mind to. And the same applies for you. So I hope each and every one of you in our journey in this educational field, I hope all of you have a blessed course. If I can help any of you in any way, please um, don't just please reach out. Please reach out to me, and I will try my best to make myself available to help you. And that's about it. God bless you all. And I have just told you a little bit about myself. I am Erica Ferguson Carroll.